going? Oh my gosh. Okay, so somehow he knows where we're going. We have not said the B-E-A-C-H word. But look at him, he's freaking shaking. Oh my gosh, it's so pathetic. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Go beach! Oh! Oh! We're going to beach! I know there's somebody else's babies that does this too. They just absolutely freak out when they go to their favorite spot. Well, we're going to the beach. We'll see you on the beach. Oh boy, Ronaldo's gonna drag me down. He can't get there fast enough. Take off yours or... Okay, there you go.
I'm not the one.
Look at how big these feet are. Okay, okay, let's go. Hut, hut. We couldn't ask for a better day to look for these Petoskey Stones and do a little rock hunting. Look at the, it's like glass, baby. Looks like we got a good spot we can put all our stuff down at right here. Honestly. Oh, Jan. Guess this is us. So I have this really neat hand fan that I really like. There's a smaller one, but this one's like a bigger, you know, more updated. I don't know, I think it's just bigger. But if you're at the beach and it's too hot, you can just pop on your little fan for a second. You can kind of cool off. I'll tell you what, the walk down got me super hot. But I'm about to make a TikTok using my hand fan. But I like it. Just wanted to show you. I don't think there's a cooler way to stay cool when you're on the beach. I have a little device here to find Petoskey's that have been covered up. So instead of just looking for what's on the top of the surface, I can dig, sift, and find the Petoskey's that people aren't finding, you know? So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna see how many Petoskey Stones I can find today. My record here is probably what, like 8, but like small ones. I'm trying to go for something like mega, like something like super mint. I swear this dog, you cannot wear him out. Like, he seriously is, he's an Aussie doodle, so he can go and go and go. On this. Not sure. It's gotta be a piece of coral, but not quite Petoskey.
Look at the camera and smile. That's your
Cover
screenshot
shot?
right there. Yeah, you got a sailboat in the background.
Yeah. Is my positive up? There you go. Shit. I love this thing. It's so it's super perfect, and I'm going for the big boys out here.
Deep daddies.
Yeah. Oh boy, this one tricked me. I'm about to get excited again. Oh boy, I got tricked hard. So they'll look like this, and you'll get tricked. I thought at first, I was like, oh boy, got another one. But you know,
Don't get catfish out there.
I got catfish. Nothing yet. I got one. Look, this thing solid, baby. You need one of these when you're rock hunting. Anything that can fall out the holes is not worth it. Look at this. Petoskey, baby. Okay, I'll give you a little quick history on what a Petoskey is if you didn't already know, okay? A Petoskey stone is just a fossilized or over the years tumbled piece of coral. It's the Michigan State stone, so beautiful. Look it up, Petoskey, P-E-T, Petoskey, P-E-T-O-S-K-I.
E-Y.
E-Y. There you go, look it up. Okay, let's see if we can get some more.
You ain't winning no spelling bees, but you look
boy.
good.
I never won one spelling bee, so. I literally just want two. If I can find one more, but I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to.
Said one.
That one Petoskey is good enough. So I'll tell you that. Nothing. Oh, I'm getting tricked every other second. This one tricked me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Guess I gotta go get the ball. Honestly, oh my god, my feet killer on your feet. Oh boy. Nothing. Nothing. Only found one Petoskey, two really cool what is it, Charlevoix?
Charlevoix.
Charlevoix. I'll show you real quick. Okay. So two of the Charlevoix boy, and then one Petoskey. Honestly, if I was gonna find a Petoskey, this is a good one to find right there. So that's it. Maybe we'll go get some ice cream. Good. All right. Well, we're gonna wash off all the doggies and get packed up. And
Can I get peanut butter?
can I get peanut butter?
No, can I get peanut butter? You want to share peanut butter?
Yeah, we can share it. Let's share it. I can't remember where I got this from, but it's one of my favorite beach cover-ups.
I think I found it.
You found it? You probably did. What he wants? You want more ball time? You literally ran at least 50 times.
100.
100. He had to have run 100 times. Like, shoom, shoom, shoom. One day, you know what I want to do? I want to walk this beach. I just want to walk for a while, see what we find. So next time we come, I just want to walk. You know what I mean?
Are you sure?
Huh?
Are you sure?
I'm 10,000% sure. I just want to walk.
Are you positive?
Positive. I'm positive that water felt great. I just went and took a dip. Felt quite nice. So, okay, I've got sandy dogs. I've got really sandy dogs. So I like to dunk them, and I got 2 towels. Yeah, we got sandy dogs. We got a lot of work to do, so we can walk them down there and do it at the last second. But, okay. All right, we'll see you at the ice cream shop. What, you want some ice cream? Oh boy. Hey, come here, get you some ice cream. Marshall's like, I want some ice cream. Come on. Wow. I guess well worth a peanut butter shake after a hot beach day. Well, one Petoskey Stone, and that was it.
2.
I'm not gonna. Oh, we forgot to put that on the video. Yeah, you did. He found a small one, very good size, but you found a small one on the walk out. I can't believe that either. Your eyes were like perfect. Okay, we found 2 Petoskey Stones. You know what? When we get back, I will show you my little Petoskey Stone collection of all the Petoskey's that I found there. So we'll end the video that way. So let's go. All right. Check this out. He found this one as we were coming off the beach. Like literally it was like buried halfway. Honestly, I'm impressed that you even saw that. Good eye. So we got this one today. Y'all remember this one? This one was really good. Super sad that I didn't find, you know, another big one. You know what? I'm bringing goggles and a snorkel out because I'm gonna find a Mac Daddy. That's okay. These ones are pretty cool. These ones are, I kept these ones because of how big they are, and like those are good pieces. And then what is this one? You kept it? That's like a quartz. I like it. I like it. Another one? Is this the quartz that I threw to you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no doubt. We saved it. Yeah, so we got two. They're just quartzy crystals. Those are pretty cool. Definitely like those. Good finds. Check this out, guys. This one right here. All right. This Petoskey that we found is raw. All right. Oh, there's a good side. Look at how like raw this piece is compared to a tumbled one over the years. One that has been tumbled. How cool is that? Let's see if I can get a better tumbled. I guess that'd be it right there. But look how raw that is. Unbelievable that we found this one. Honestly, I'd have to say this one could potentially be my favorite just because of how raw that it is. So let's see, this one was found today. These two were found today. I'll show you a little montage of some other general Petoskey's we have found in that same location. Maybe some of these were at the other lake, but too cool. I mean, run it, baby. Run it, baby. Petoskey. Do you got Petoskey's? I got Petoskey's. I've got the Petoskey's, baby. What is this one? Why do we have that? Because it's got a fossil. Super fossil. Why do we have this one? More fossil. Cool. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, so now we got this one to add to the Petoskey bank. And your little impressive eye right there, baby. Petoskey. This one's kind of weak, but that's still a Petoskey. Well, okay, that was it. We did a little rock hounding today, found some cool stuff, and pretty proud of it. I was going for as many as I could find, but the universe gave me one. Uno. I'm cool with that. I'll take that. And, okay. Yeah. Till the next video. I'll see you then.